Hi there. Welcome back to our next session Microsoft SQL Server Database tutorial. In this session we will learn about SQL Server subqueries. So let's start our session. A subquery or inner query or nested query is a query within another SQL Server query and embedded within the where clause. A subquery is used to return data that will be used in the main query as a condition to further restrict the data to be retrieved. Subqueries can be used with the select, insert, update, and delete statements along with the operators like equals, 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 in, between, etc. There are certain rules regarding subqueries. You must enclose a subquery in parenthesis. A subquery must include a select clause and a from clause. A subquery can include optional where, group by, and having clauses. A subquery cannot include compute or for browse clauses. You can include an order by clause only when a top clause is included. And you can nest subqueries up to 32 levels. Let's understand it with an example. You can see the syntax of select subquery on your screen. In the same way you can do update and delete and insert as well. Let's see through practical. Watch the example carefully. Hope you liked the video. We will get to know more topics in our upcoming sessions. Till then, thank you.